Hey guys, I'm Ryan and I'm a product engineer with Arbsession, and I'm here with a 360 video for the Arbsession aluminum rings. The Arbsession aluminum ring comes in 5 different sizes. Comes in a 26 millimeter internal diameter, which is 35 grams. Comes a 28 internal diameter. Comes in at 40 grams. A 34 millimeter internal diameter. That one comes in at 45 grams, a 40 millimeter internal diameter, and that one comes in at 50 grams. And our largest Arbsession aluminum ring comes in with 57 millimeter internal diameter, and that one comes in at 75 grams. They're all fully marked, and the rest of the specifications are all the same between the 5 different sizes. They are 12 millimeters in thickness. They have a 30 kilonewton minimum braking strength and a 6 kilonewtons working load limit. Aluminum rings have a wide range of applications, whether that's being a connector for carabiners or for rope or webbing slings. And you can find your Arbsession aluminum rings at arbsession.com. Thanks for watching.